what's in my Curology box. First time ordering, so let's go through it. I got a little skincare routine card, and then we got a lip balm. This is scented vanilla. Should be really good. Let's try to take this out. Okay. This is a bit harder than I thought. Hold on. Okay, so I did get it out of the package. It's really cute. It's a little push button on the side that you pull down on, and then it comes out. Really cute. Now to the fun part, the big package. Not opened yet, so let's see. Ooh, we got 4 things in here. Oh, 5. We got a rich moisturizer. And then we have the night one. And then we have the Mirasol makeup remover. Any girl who wears makeup needs that. And then for last, the cleanser. And this is day and night. And then this one, it just says apply for nightly. These are the ingredients in mine. There we go. Also do have some pimple patches in here. For emergency, I'll probably put them on that. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Test them out. All of my testing will be on TikTok. If you are wanting to order one of these, my link is below. And if you want to know how to apply these or anything, I will put up some TikToks. See if it actually works, a month update. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Subscribe, comment, and like.